Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of
Travel Tip Tuesday!
Okay, so today's travel tip, red flags when you're booking a campground. Like many of you, I use different apps and websites to check reviews about what other campers are saying about these places. And sometimes you come across ones where they're very mixed. You'll see a good number of good stuff and you'll see a good number of bad stuff. And sometimes I take a chance on those and they've worked out really well for us. They don't always work out, but they do sometimes. But here's the real red flag that I want you to be aware of. Be on the lookout for cancellation policies. I didn't pay attention to this. And this particular campground that we're looking at, there is nothing posted on their website. There's nothing in the receipt that is sent to you about their cancellation policy. So my red flag to you is, if you don't see that kind of stuff, always ask. If I had not asked this particular campground, they would have never been forthright with the information to tell me that they don't do refunds. They don't do any kind of cancellation policy. What they will do is they will give you a voucher that can be used for up to a year. Sometimes that's great. If you're going to be in a certain, area for a long time, no problem. You can just probably move a reservation out. But for some of us, you may be here for a part of the year and you may be moving to the other side. So that's something to be wary about. Always look for the cancellation policies written either on the website before you make a reservation, or at least ask for it before you make your reservation via the phone, and if they can send you a copy of it. So know what you're doing before you book. Okay, so if you've ever noticed any red flags while you are looking to book a campground or resort, let us know down in the comments. Because you know what? We were all new at some point and we all have experiences, and I think we should definitely share them so, we can have the best experience going forward. All right, thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It's the best way to help us grow our channel. And if you, like I said, if you have any comments about some red flags that you've noticed when you've been booking, definitely leave those down in the comments. Thanks again, everybody, and we'll see you next week on another Travel Tip Tuesday.